May tanong dito. As a beginner, what stocks do you recommend that is worth investing? Grabe, kung may ganun lang sana, no? Eh di sana tayong lahat yun na yung binili natin. Pero kasi, investing doesn't work that way. Bakit? Kasi magkakaiba tayo ng goals, magkakaiba tayo ng timeline. Yung iba, nag-start at an earlier age. Yung iba, medyo late na yung age. Kaya nagkakaiba-iba din yung goal. At yung pinaka, magkakaiba rin tayo ng risk tolerance. Ibig sabihin, yung kaya kong sikmurain na lugi, baka hindi yun yung kaya mong sikmurain na pagkalugi, no? So, think of it like para kang namimili ng sapatos. Pwede mong gayahin yung brand ng sapatos ng kaibigan mo, pero kung masikip or hindi fit sa paa, ikaw din yung masasaktan. So, sa investing, for some, they invest in dividend stocks. Gusto nila yung ganun, yung may nare-receive sila na dividends. Yung iba, they opt to invest in stocks na may potential na mag-grow in the long term. Yung parang, kumbaga, small time ngayon, may potential na maging big time in the future. Yung iba, mas gusto nila yung trading. So, merong mga stocks na mas mabilis yung galaw kesa sa iba, mas yun yung pinipili nila, kahit beginner din sila. So, hindi enough na sagutin for me kung ano yung magandang stock. Kailangan kasi bagay sa'yo. And this is what I can say. The best investment is not the one that magbibigay sa'yo ng pinakamalaking return. It's actually the one that you can understand and feel more comfortable sa risk.